I'm back with some amazing new design tools and resources for the month of September 2022. Yes, this is now a thing, so get used to it. What we're looking at first today is called Runway, and this is an amazing AI-based video editing tool for the web. So you don't even have to download anything. You have automatic background removals. You can literally remove a human being from where he is standing. And you can even assign this tool the ability to cut frames from your videos. All that manual cutting frames and cutting scenes will definitely be cut in half. And they even have something called motion tracking. So instead of real life motion tracking where you're taking the camera behind a person, it literally tracks whoever is in the frame. Basically a full-fledged video editor in your browser with amazing AI capabilities. I think even if you're a designer, it'll be super helpful to make those amazing cool videos for your product. I recently got an invite to this brand new tool called Current Beta. Current is literally a work in progress platform for teams, for individuals. So it even has support for things like Figma. So if you're using Figma, you can literally share all your designs and ideas on this platform, and your entire team can see all the designs and ideas. You can add tags and search. So basically, if there are iOS developers in the team, they'll be able to see iOS-based design in your workspace. And right now, this tool is completely free for all the features while it's in beta. So I say go join the waitlist. I've already gotten my invite, so you'll get your invite in a few weeks as well. A really good tool for finding and storing inspiration. I, as a YouTuber, will also get a lot of help with this. We now have a newsletter. Yes, UX Birdie is the newsletter that me and a bunch of other designers are building. And this is a completely free of cost newsletter which brings you UX design, tech, tool and business knowledge in your email every single week. We'll literally be curating stuff for you guys and delivering it to you. Now this next tool is basically a web portal for anybody wanting to learn design or anything creative. Lapa Learn literally has categories from 3D design to Webflow to prototype to motion design to interaction design. Anything you want, you can learn for free with Lapa. So they basically accumulate all the different resources, courses, free stuff that you can get to start your learning process. They have a platform where you can showcase your designs as well. Apart from that, they have something called download free books. So they have a collection of free ebooks and physical books that you can get as designers, as creatives, all in one place, as well as Webflow templates. So you basically have something for everybody. And this is one of those websites you go ahead and bookmark immediately. This is one place you can just sit and learn, and there are a lot of people learning from Lapa, so you'll have a nice community on Twitter, etc. to kind of learn from. I like how they go in depth with things like typography, Photoshop, color design, UX design, illustration design. We of course saw the iPhone 14 Pro launch and everybody was going crazy for it this month. In fact, I even made a Figma design so that you guys can copy it. But apart from that, Apple has now put up their live activities designs and guidelines for anybody wanting to design for their activities, what they're calling. And you have something called Activity Kit. So if you are a developer, you want to develop something as well, Activity Kit is what they are promoting, and they want you to use this to create those cool activities. Webflow is finally introducing a much awaited feature, and it's the update of the year, and it's called Webflow Logic Beta. Basically, you will be able to create almost Zapier level automation inside Webflow. It's a simple 3-step process. You start with a trigger, you set a condition. If this happens, this happens. And then you choose your action. So your actions are limited right now. As you can see, the beta only has things like make a HTTP request, send email notification, delete an item, update an item. So you'll basically just get more or less form related automation. However, in the future, I'm expecting to have more Zapier level automation where different platforms and apps can interact with each other using this. So Logic is a big update for Webflow, and Webflow designers and developers will benefit so much. And if you're thinking of learning Webflow, this is the right time since such cool features are being introduced. Now this tweet really made my mind go crazy because Hugo Dupreis just posted how a plugin could rename all the layers just by looking at it. His plugin is built with Svelte as well as AI, so we're looking at artificial intelligence at its finest. So if I play this video, as you can see, there are 3 frames, random frames with no names, and he selects all 3 frames one by one. And as soon as he presses this magical button here, it gets renamed to button and calendar. So it recognizes the designs of calendar, it recognizes the design of an app, and it does so automatically. This just shows how tiny the AI activities can be. It doesn't have to be a very large scale, converting a sketch into a complete design. These little resources will help us so much with this. So this is something that you can recreate yourself using Diagram, which is a really cool plugin for Figma. I've already introduced this in one of my earlier videos, but you're literally creating automations and you can add APIs and integrations into these automations as well. In fact, they've recently introduced cloud support and team support. So you literally have a tool with Figma to automate everything that you're doing in design. Unsplash is cool and all, but what if your images could literally be designed by AI? Stock AI literally creates a unique image for you based on your description. You can either search from all the crazy photos that the community has prepared, or you can type anything you want. Dog walking on water, water working on dog, I don't care. You just type it here and they will email you a generated image through AI automatically. So that's really crazy. And as you can see in this food, none of this food is real. This burger right here isn't real. Fish being grilled here isn't real. Whatever you're seeing on screen here isn't real. This is generated through AI on how AI perceives food based on what people have typed. So as you can see, there are some crazy images only crazy people could have typed in, but overall it looks incredible. So if you're looking for custom images for your website, designs, etc., this is all looking real, but it's not. It's messing with my mind right now, but this is all AI and it's absolutely wonderfully done. So if you're looking for a photo tool like Unsplash, which could do all this through AI and create unique images for you or your business, stock AI. Going down the AI rabbit hole, there's something called AI Picasso, which is a really cool phone app that you can get right now on your phone. I suggest trying it out. It's literally all those crazy AI tools built into a phone app. And if you're wanting to kind of try this out, it's free of cost and you can download it on the Play Store or App Store. Just a quick mention. Spline tool now has physics, yes. So the 3D software, which is taking the world by storm, where you can create 3D on the web without learning 3D, is now introducing physics. So it'll be as if you're creating real life 3D objects which are floating in a real space, with real physics, with real gravity, with real inertia. All that realistic stuff that you would find on other 3D tools, which are not only expensive, but they take a lot of your CPU, take a lot of your RAM. This is literally on the web. So this is a game changer. I want you guys all to try this feature out and see for yourself. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. I'm really grateful for you guys to tune in. Want to see updates and tutorials every week? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also hit the like button. That really helps support the channel. Apart from that, make sure you are subscribed to UX Birdie because we're sending our first newsletter next week. So go ahead and subscribe to it if you don't want to miss out. And I'll see you next week. Same time, same place. Until next time, take care. God bless.